Hey, you, Uber driver. You talking mad shit to my girl? You better stop. Cause you see this? You keep disrespecting her and I'm gonna disrespect you right between the eyes. You got that? Hey, quit giving her a lip, man. Bro, I told you, quit disrespecting her. Don't worry, girl, I got you. So you wanna keep messing with me, driver? You wanna keep doing that? Cause you're gonna find out real quick I'm not someone you wanna mess with. Alright, pull the car over and we're gonna settle this right frickin' now.